Here are 5 things I did not do to become successful in the stock market. Number 1, I was not profitable every month. I think some people believe that a successful stock trader is profitable every single month. But sometimes, especially in down markets, successful trading looks like not losing money, or at least keeping losses to a minimum. Yes, there are opportunities to make money in every kind of market, but sometimes a successful trader's best trade is staying in cash. Why is that? Because you want to trade in flow with the market. And if the market's being crazy, that's harder to do. We want higher quality trades. And if those trades are not present, we simply stop trading. Oh, but how do you hit your revenue goals, Dave? I don't focus on the trading. I focus on becoming a better trader. Remember, the goal is to be successful over the long term, and that might mean you have a down month. If you can keep that down month to a minimum, then your year might look way better. The second thing I did not do to become successful at stock trading, I didn't get everything right the first time. You hear these success stories of people who changed their lives seemingly overnight. They got introduced to the stock market and made some quick cash. What most people don't realize is that while there are certainly some stories out there of people who just seem to get it right out of the gate, that's not going to be every successful trader's story. Some successful traders have had to work really hard and make some mistakes along the way. Oh, but that's what I'm worried about, Dave, making costly mistakes. If you're worried about that, I'd say find someone who already made the mistakes you're worried about and learn from them. I like to say buying someone else's mistakes is a lot cheaper than making your own. Because as it turns out, ignorance is one of the most costly things in trading. So don't stay ignorant. Learn from somebody else. The third thing I did not do to become successful at stock trading is I didn't blame others when my trades went against me. See, I've met some people who continue to struggle in their trading, and they can point fingers at every situation or unexpected news item or unforeseen turn in the market as the reason that they are failing. But all the successful traders I know don't care what happens in the market. They don't care what surprises they encounter because they've learned to point the finger at themselves. They don't care what the market does because they know what they will do. When I adopted that mindset, it made a massive difference in my trading. Remember, you are responsible for your own success in the stock market. And the sooner you accept that, the sooner you can make important changes to your trading. Apply what you've learned, take control, and change your life. The fourth thing I did not do to become successful in the stock market is I didn't wait around until I felt like an expert. See, every expert trader you meet started trading when they were not an expert. In fact, every single expert you meet in any area of life was at one time completely ignorant of the thing they are now the best at. And it was in that unskilled stage of unknowing that they took unqualified action as an unqualified person. But it was the doing that taught them the most. I like to say the secret to mastering process is progress. And that may sound backwards, but trust me, it's not. You have to take action. If you want to become an expert, get your hands dirty. Do the thing you want to excel at. Let it work on you while you work on it. Learn from others to speed that process up. Buy their mistakes so that it doesn't cost as much. And start before you are an expert. Because if you don't, you never will be. So if you're sitting there and you've been thinking about learning how to trade and you've been kind of looking at videos and studying a little here and there, this isn't just some brash, spur-of-the-moment decision that you're making. This is something you've been thinking about for a long time. Maybe it's time to actually take action. Don't wait around to become an expert because you got to take action to get there. So that brings me to my fifth and final thing I did not do to become successful in the stock market. I did not figure everything out on my own. See, we have this idea of the self-made millionaire. We think that's the way to go. Pull yourself up by your bootstraps. If it's worth doing yourself. If you want a job done right, do it yourself. It's when you've decided to invest on your own that you ought to try going it alone. That last one was actually a quote from an investment book. But here's the reality. People who are successful in stock trading, they have help. They learned from someone else. They got a coach. They had somebody walk them through the steps. Just like in any important thing in your life, you learn to talk. You watched mom form the words with her mouth. You learned to walk. You held on to somebody's hand. You learned to drive. Someone was sitting in the passenger seat. Every important decision you've ever made, every important thing you've ever learned, you probably had a little help in doing it. And for some reason, when it comes to finances, people just think they have to do it by themselves. And that's not true. Don't fall into that trap. Don't do it by yourself. Get some help. So if you want some help in learning how to trade, you might want to check out our Unlock the Stock Market Challenge. It's a 5-day, fun, supportive environment where you're going to learn for 2 hours each day on how to trade in the market. Learn about short-term trading strategies in a community of traders. This challenge is perfect for people who have never traded before and for those that have been trading but are frustrated with their results so far. Our challenge is a non-intimidating stock trading environment. All levels are welcome. We teach strategies that are more profitable and less risky than other strategies that you may have learned in the past. So if you want the potential to start earning more money and add an incredible side income to your life, and do it in a community of like-minded traders, join us for the Unlock the Stock Market Challenge. Register today at TRADEway.com/challenge or click the link below.